Most people don't fail because digital products don't work. They fail because they picked the wrong one. So today we're breaking down the digital product niches already winning and the ones that will keep winning in 2026. All backed by real Etsy search data and real revenue numbers. These are the niches real sellers used to make a few hundred all the way up to $12,000 a month. Let's jump in. How to know if a product will sell? Forget guessing. Type your idea into the Etsy search bar. And if Etsy auto-completes it, people are searching for it. And if you want the real numbers, revenue, demand, that's what Evergreen Product Analytics is for. It's a tool I use to pull every number in this video. And they're the sponsors of today's video. Alright. First niche, business templates. Businesses don't buy for cute, they buy to save time. A bookkeeping template earns about $3,091 per month. But why? Because they solve real problems, and business owners will happily pay between $20 to $30 to make these problems go away. Micro niches, BA starter kits, client onboarding kits, bookkeeping contracts, creator dashboards. If you have got a skill you could turn to the template, drop it below. I'm curious. Educational and classroom tools. Teachers and homeschool parents are some of the most consistent buyers on Etsy. Poster bundles, $1,733 per month. Student planners, $522 per month. Bundles convert. Back to school season spikes. Demand stays high. Micro niches, ADHD planners, preschool worksheets, and classroom decor. Digital wall art. Most wall art is saturated, but these categories still win. Per month flower prints, $726 per month. Motivational prints, $941 per month with a 51 conversion rate. Bundle wins, personalization wins. Nursery decor never stops selling. Resume and career templates. People update their resumes in panic mode. That's why this niche prints money. Minimal resume, $1,193 per month. Resume plus cover letter pack, $3,588 per month. Low prices, high volume, micro niches, academic CVS, teacher CVS, and executive styles. Fitness and nutrition planners. Evergreen niche, high spike in January. Fitness journal, $1,874 per month. A 400-page workout program, $701 per month. Micro niches, macro trackers, 12-week challenges, running logs, and meal prep templates. Travel planners and itineraries. Travel TikTok changed everything. People don't want the research. They want a done for you trip. Mobile itinerary, $2,567 per month. Printable trip planner, $392 per month. Micro niches, Italy itineraries, Japan cherry blossom trips, honeymoons, and group trips. If you ever wish someone just planned the whole trip for you, that is your buyer. Financial planning tools. This niche is a money machine. Saving challenge, $1,249 per month. People trust spreadsheets. They trust numbers. And financial planning is evergreen. Micro niches, sinking funds, cash envelopes, and student budgets. Productivity and wellness. People don't buy one template here. They buy 5. ADHD Notion planner, $5,369 per month. Bullet journal planners, $4,112 per month. Micro niches, habit trackers, aesthetic planners, mood boards, mood journals, and anxiety logs. If you use planners or Notion yourself, you already know what buyers need. Drop your favorite tool below. I'm curious. Wedding and event templates. These niches explode every year. Animated wedding template, $3,757 per month. Baby shower bundle, $2,376 per month. Bridal shower game, $2,145 per month. Why it works? High willingness to pay, emotional buy-in, and events always need planning. Micro niches, seating charts, bachelorette kits, shower games, and event timelines. Real estate and Airbnb templates. One of the most underrated niches on Etsy. Airbnb welcome books, $1,343 per month. Real estate presentation bundle, $3,700 per month. People buy fast and they buy it repeatedly. Micro niches, Airbnb house bundles, cabin guides, open house kits, and home buyer guides. Niches to avoid. Before we go any further, let's talk about the niches I don't recommend, because these ones are the ones that cause the most frustration. Single page printables. Things like password trackers, basic one-page planners, or simple sheets. They are everywhere and they sell for almost nothing. And the revenue is basically non-existent. It's just not worth your time. Generic daily or yearly planners. You know the ones. Daily planner, 26 planners, weekly planner. They don't stand out. Everyone sells them. Competition is brutal. And conversion is low. So if you have tried this before and barely got any traction, it wasn't you. It was the niche, but I will start as a beginner. And if I were in your shoes trying to launch my first digital product, here's what I would choose. Business templates. This is the safest bet. People are willing to pay. Refunds are low. And you're solving real problems that businesses have every day. Productivity and Notion templates. These feel premium right away. They're simple to design and the audience of them is huge, especially on TikTok and on YouTube. If you're stuck between two niches, drop them in the comments. I always love to see what people are thinking of building. Now that you know what to sell, let's build the place you will sell it. You don't need Shopify, you don't need Gumroad, and you don't need to fight the Etsy algorithm forever. Evergreen Store lets you build a premium storefront in minutes. Inside Evergreen, head over to apps and click on Evergreen Store. Hit create with AI. You will get a prompt. Just type something simple like clean, modern, digital product store, minimal, premium, neutral colors. Evergreen will build the entire thing for you in a few seconds. Your homepage, your product grid, your banner, and even the mobile version. Instant storefront. Zero tech skills needed. This is the fun part. Choose the fonts you like, pick the colors that fit your style, change the hero text so it actually sounds like you. And with a few tweaks here, you can make your whole storefront feel premium. Hit add product. Upload your PDF, your Notion dashboard, set your price, and if you want a clean, professional description without overthinking it, use the AI brain. It does a great job. Gonna Stripe, it takes less than a minute. Once that is done, every order is delivered automatically, so you don't have to touch anything. Prove it on mobile and make sure it looks good. Then hit publish. That's it. Now you have a clean, branded digital storefront you actually own. And while you're building your store, something important is happening right now. Evergreen has just opened its early Black Friday access, the biggest promo of the year. If you want to reach your niches, pull real revenue data, and launch your own store with a discount, now is a great time to check it out. Link in the description. Thanks Evergreen for sponsoring a portion of today's video. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of most people who say they want to start a business but never take action. You know the niches that actually make money and the ones to avoid. I hope to launch a clean, premium digital store today. Whenever you build your first product tonight or this weekend, just start. Your first digital product is the hardest. Everything after that gets easier. And if you want a part 2, maybe the easiest niches for beginners or the fastest ones to scale, let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe. It helps more than you think. See you in the next one.